Picture this. Your AC remote is missing and the room is getting hotter by the minute, but your Samsung phone is sitting right there and it can solve the whole problem instantly. What most Samsung users have no idea about is that their phone has a hidden built-in feature that turns it into a fully working air conditioner remote control without any extra hardware. By the end of this video, your Samsung phone will be controlling your AC completely, changing temperature, switching modes, adjusting fan speed, and everything else your original remote could do. Stay with me through this whole video because the setup takes less than 5 minutes, and once it is done, you may never need your physical AC remote again. Before we jump in, if you find this helpful, please hit the like button right now and consider subscribing because we share practical tips just like this one every single week. Let us start by finding the SmartThings app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Swipe up on your home screen to open the app drawer and look for it there. SmartThings comes pre-installed on most Samsung Galaxy devices. If you do not see it in your app drawer, search for it by name and it will appear immediately. Tap the SmartThings app icon to open it. This is Samsung's official smart home control application, and it is the cleanest and most reliable method for controlling your AC. Once SmartThings opens, you will land on the main dashboard. Look for the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap it to begin adding a new device. The Add Device menu will slide up from the bottom. Tap on by device type to browse through the categories and find your air conditioner setup option. Scroll through the device type list and tap on air conditioner. SmartThings will now show you a long list of AC brands from around the world for you to choose from. Find your specific AC brand in the list and tap it. SmartThings will load a setup wizard that guides you through connecting your Samsung phone to your specific air conditioner model. The setup wizard will ask you to point your Samsung phone toward your air conditioner. Make sure the top edge of your phone is aimed directly at the AC unit on the wall. The IR blaster sensor is located at the very top of most Samsung Galaxy smartphones. This tiny sensor sends infrared signals just like your original remote does. Tap the power test button on the SmartThings setup screen. If your AC beeps or turns on, then your Samsung phone has successfully connected to your air conditioner. If your AC responds to the power test, tap confirm and SmartThings will save your AC remote settings. The virtual remote control interface will load immediately after. Your SmartThings virtual AC remote shows all the controls you need. Power button, temperature, arrows, mode, selector, fan speed, and timer all on one clean screen. Try tapping the temperature up arrow on the SmartThings virtual remote. Watch your air conditioner display on the wall respond and update the temperature reading in real time. Switch your AC between cool mode, dry mode, and fan mode by tapping the mode button in SmartThings. Your AC will respond to every command immediately. Adjust the fan speed directly from your Samsung phone using the SmartThings virtual remote. The AC unit will change its fan speed just as it would with the original remote. The SmartThings method works perfectly for most Samsung Galaxy devices from the last 5 years, as long as your phone has a built-in IR blaster sensor at the top. If your Samsung phone does not have an IR blaster or if SmartThings does not support your AC brand, the Google Play Store has excellent free alternatives that work just as well. Open the Google Play Store on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone and search for IR Universal Remote AC. Several well-rated apps will appear in the results immediately. Look for apps like AnyMote Universal Remote or Mi Remote Controller. Both have high ratings, wide AC brand compatibility, and easy setup processes for beginners. Tap Install on your chosen remote app and wait for it to download. The installation takes under a minute on any standard Wi-Fi connection. Open the newly installed remote app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone and follow the on-screen setup. Select your AC brand and complete the pairing test just like in SmartThings. Within minutes, you will have a fully working AC remote on your Samsung phone using the free app from the Play Store. No physical remote needed at all.